delightful, delicious, Delovely. My name is Christina Elise, and today I am going to be making a very quick and easy dessert recipe. It is vegan strawberry cheesecake dip. It's a very, very simple recipe. I'm going to be using this stand mixer, but you could probably do it with a hand mixer or a food processor or whatever. You're just kind of whipping the ingredients together unceremoniously, really. So I'm going to begin with, I'm going to put into this big bowl, I'm putting in, this is 4 ounces of vegan cream cheese. I like Tofutti, makes the best, I think, cream cheeses and sour creams. So that's what I'm using here. This is 1/4 cup of that Tofutti vegan sour cream. Oops. And 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Now, this is a small amount. I would, if you're having a party and you want to put this out on a buffet or whatever as a party, I would double this recipe. I'm making a small amount because I have to eat it, and I don't want to be eating this stuff for like a week. So I'm basically whipping these together till it gets sort of light and fluffy. Doesn't take long. My mother bought me this. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, while that's going on, this is an optional thing. I'm going to put in a drop of vanilla. And the zest of 1/2 lemon. Dum-da-dum-da-dum. When it's done, you transfer it into the bowl you're going to be serving it in, and then stir in some strawberry preserves. This is a really strawberry preserve. Yummy. Just stir in maybe 1/2 cup of that and swirl it through, and then you can use graham crackers to dip in it if you can find some vegan graham crackers. I happen to have a big boner for these McVitie digestives. Apparently you're vegan. Love them. You could use any kind of a vegan cookie. Lemon wafers, vanilla wafers. You could use strawberries. You could use fruit. You could use those Pocky, those sticks. They're not vegan though, are they? Chocolate, fruit, and any kind of cookie you want in there, and dip it in there, and that is that. That's the recipe. It's just that easy. Tastes really, really good. Kids will love it. I think it's a crowd pleaser. I hope you enjoy it. That's all there is to it. So with that, please subscribe, and yeah, wear a mask. Be safe. Don't fuck around at Christmas time like I did at Thanksgiving and get yourself exposed. I got myself exposed and I was so mad at myself. I ended up being negative, and everyone I was near after that was negative, so we dodged a bullet. But I mean, the numbers are just crazy. If you look at the slope in April and May, when we were hunkered down in March and you couldn't buy toilet paper and you couldn't find eggs and you couldn't get flour or sugar anywhere, the numbers were like, 200 people a day. Now there are 280,000 people a day get new cases, and we're still acting like it's normal. It's just bizarre to me. So anyway, stay safe and subscribe, and until next time, bye.